Good evening. Here's another key word for tonight, zonal. It's when weather moves mostly from west to east in a straight line across. You'll be hearing that word later in this forecast. Now tonight we have clouds mostly, but at times, and you'll see this through the next 24 hours or so, there will be times when the skies are clearing up and you won't see any clouds. But let's look at what Futurecast has prepared for us. 7 o'clock tonight, clouds in some places, clarity in others. Some of you might see what looks like a full moon tonight, 95%. Tomorrow morning, clouds mostly over the entire viewing area, and that will last through early morning. Overnight tonight, a low of 35 degrees with winds lightly from the east. Tomorrow we have an increasing possibility of some rainfall, and you see by 3 p.m. we have shaded in the possibility of a few sprinkles at the very least tomorrow. Again, that's by mid-afternoon. We'll have a high of about 47 degrees. The clouds will be keeping our temperatures moderate. Picking up Futurecast for tomorrow, late in the afternoon and into the evening, there may be some pockets of precipitation. Most of you won't see any rain, but some of you will see a few drops here and there. Now, our midweek outlook, periodic sprinkles is what we're going to call it for tomorrow. On Wednesday, more clouds than sun. There might be a raindrop or two here and there. 52 for the moderate afternoon high. And on Thursday, still moderate temperatures, and the chances for rainfall pick up a little bit. Now, it might be a little bit gloomy, this forecast. You should expect lots of cloud cover, moderate temperatures, but you know, the main reason for this moderation is the upper air movement. This is the jet stream talking now. This is zonal movement, and I urge you to pay attention to this yellow line. It doesn't look straight at the moment, but as time marches on, it's becoming a little more flat west to east, and you do see it here reaching into our territory. That's what's going to keep our temperatures moderate. Before we give you the 7-day forecast, a couple of notes about our time of sun, our daylight, 9 hours and 30 minutes tomorrow. Our last sunrise before 7 a.m. will be tomorrow morning at 6:59, and our sunset remains at 4:29 p.m. Now let's take a look at that 7-day forecast. Your average extremes, 46 for the high, 29 for the low, and you will note that all across the board, our temperatures are mostly above that average high temperature range, and certainly that can be said well for the lower range. And of course, we talked last week about the fact that we are 6 inches under for the last 3 months as far as rainfall, and our drought monitor lists us officially in a moderate drought condition here in Coles County. And we do have the possibility of some rainfall tomorrow, a greater possibility on Thursday with a high temperature of 53, and then one more chance for rain on Monday. But this is not to limit it. These are the 3 days most likely out of the next 7, though, to get us some rainfall. But only time will tell, and conditions, of course, are subject to change from day to day. So we'll keep an eye on things. Check out Will Redden with the forecast tomorrow.